Hello students, welcome back to online classes. Standard 6 subject maths. So in the previous lecture already we have completed revision of third chapter and this fourth chapter up to exercise 4.2 we have finished. Now exercise 4.3. Question 1, name the angles in the given figure. So how to write the name of the angle, you have to use capital letters to write the names of the angles. And whatever angle you need to show, that letter you have to write in the middle one. For example, you need to show angle D, this angle, okay? Then in the middle you have to write D. And here adjacent angles name you have to write, I mean adjacent letters, that A and C. So you can give name ADC or CDA. This way you have to write 4 names. Now question number 2, diagram is given. You have to name the points. First of all, in the interior of DOE. So here DOA. So in the interior there is a A. Okay. Second one in the exterior of EOF. Here EOF. So outside which points are there? C. Then A and D. Okay. And this B and E that is given on this angle, on this lines. Then C on EOF. Here E, O and F. On this EOF, 4 letters are there. That is a E, B, O and F. Then question number 3, you have to draw diagrams that you do yourself. It's very easy. Then question number 1 of exercise 4.4. What is the question? You have to draw rough sketch of triangle. And name of the triangle is given. You have to mark point in its interior, okay, and one of the point in its exterior, and you have to say whether point A is in its interior or exterior. So triangle you need to draw, it's very easy. This is a triangle, name of the triangle is ABC. P inside, so here P. Q point outside, so here point Q. Now where is the point A? So A is neither interior of the figure nor exterior, but it's a vertex, okay, where 2 line segments meets each other. Then question number 2, triangle is given. You have to give answers of some of the questions. First one, you have to identify 3 triangles in the figure. So I'll draw the triangle. I'll not going to give the names because your answer is given. You check. This is the first one. Okay. This is the second one. And this is the third one. Now you can give the names. B. Write the names of 7 angles. So I am going to draw. This is the first angle. Then second, third, fourth. Okay. Then this is the fifth one. Then sixth one, and this is the 7th. C. Write the names of 6 line segments. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this full. That is the 6th one. D. Which 2 triangles have B as a common? This is ABC and second one ABD. 4.5. First one, you have to draw rough sketch of quadrilateral PQRS. So quadrilateral, it means 4 line segments. Then here PQRS, draw its diagonals opposite vertex. You have to join. Give the name. Is the meeting point of diagonals in its interior or exterior? So it's very obvious. Here meeting point is in a interior. Question 2, you have to draw rough sketch of quadrilateral KLMN, okay, and from this quadrilateral you have to give the names. First one, 2 pairs of opposite sides. So I'll show you which sides are opposite. These 2 are opposite side, that is the first pair. Second pair, this is the second pair. You have to give the name. B, 2 pairs of opposite angles. I'll show you opposite angles. This is the first pair and this is the second pair. third one, two pairs of adjacent sides, first pair and second pair, or else this is the first pair and this is the second pair. So two possibilities are there. Any one you can write. Two pairs of adjacent angles, nearby angles, you have to write first pair and this is the second pair, or else you can do first pair and this is the second one. Okay. Third one, that is in homework, no need to do this one. Then 4.6, first question. Okay, here is a circle. Okay, this O is the center of the circle, that you know. Radius, the center point, and any one of the point on the circle that you will join, then you will get radius. So this is the radius, OA, OB and OC, three radius. Then diameter, the line segment then joins two points on the circle and that must pass through center point. Okay, so this AC is the diameter. Then chord, that is a ED. On the circle, any 2 point you join, then you will get chord, but it does not pass through the center point. Interior, it means inside the circle, this is the interior part. Outside of the circle, this is the exterior part. Okay, this all portion. Sector, sector is OAB. This is the sector. And segment, so 2 points on the circle, you will join them, that does not pass through the center point, that is a segment. Question number 2, is every diameter of a circle also a chord? So yes, that can pass through the center also, or it is not compulsory that it should pass through the center point only. Second one, is every chord of a circle also a diameter? No. Then question number 3, you have to draw circle, you have to name center, radius, diameter and sector. So that is as per the first question. Okay. So here revision of this fourth lesson is also over. So as you know, the paper style MCQs will be there and examples will be there. So in MCQs only you have to write the answers. Out of 3 options, which one is the correct, that only you have to write. And yes, you can write the answer also. For example, option A, diameter, then A in a bracket you will write and you can write diameter. Okay, no need to write all the options, no need to write any of the questions. And for the examples also, no need to write the question. If question is very small and it is necessary to write, then you can write, otherwise no need. Okay, so I wish you all the best for your second unit test. Thank you.